Twitter brings NFTs to the timeline as hexagon-shaped profile pictures. I read this because Elon tweeted about it. He said it's going to be annoying. It was only a matter of time. He references the fact that there's so many crypto bots, scam bots in the comments, which, by the way, is the same on YouTube. YouTube is a bot disaster lately.
Even Michael Saylor got in the mix. He's a Bitcoin maximalist.
Twitter can solve the problem of scammers and spam bots if they allow real humans to post 50,000 sats via Lightning and get verified with an orange check. Then we can limit comments, DMs to verified accounts. Bad actors forfeit their security deposit, and Twitter monetizes them out. So he wants people to pay $20 in Bitcoin. I discussed this topic in detail in the Spaces session below. Bitcoin can be used to create cybersecurity deposits attached to real accounts. So he's saying like a credit kind of. You want to post and prove that you're real, then give us $20 if accounts are free. Anyway, that's not really the point of this article, but everyone's got a take on it. The NFT thing has obviously exploded. Whether you like it or not, whether you're annoyed or not, plenty of people have already made their profile pictures their NFTs. They've just put it in the traditional sense of taking the JPEG and applying it to the profile section.
Yeah.
What's happening here is Twitter's giving you a way of showing that it's your actual NFT. Because when this hexagon shows up, everyone's going to know, yo, you got Mutant Ape 17609. So you're a baller.
Sure.
You're balling out of control. You get to show off your prized possessions. But in order to do this, you're going to have to connect your crypto wallet.
Yeah. So they have a couple of the big ones here.
Argent, Coinbase, Ledger Live, MetaMask, Rainbow, and Trust Wallet will all work. However, one side effect of limiting its interaction with the blockchain to a list of approved sources means that information on who owns what is not as decentralized as you may think, as researcher Jane Manchin Wong noted earlier Thursday. A database outage that knocked the OpenSea API offline for a few hours caused Twitter's NFT collection pages to lose their information too. So people spotting weaknesses all here.
Right. So there's a couple arguments here. For one, for I guess that mutant NFT, like the really popular one, the BASI, someone can actually take that picture and mint it on their own and then post it up on MetaMask and actually just, have their NFT, and people would think that would be the real one, right? You know what I'm saying?
But okay, say it again. Start from the top.
So let's just say you would want that specific BASI.
Okay,
right?
yeah, sure.
What you would do is you can just grab that picture and then you can mint it on your own.
Oh, sure.
As a collection.
Sure.
And then you put it on your MetaMask and then put it up on Twitter.
And you got a hexagon.
So that's what a lot of people are saying. Like, if you want to be in like this membership on Twitter, like you should just discount all of the fakes, right? But what Twitter's saying is actually like, no, we want people to create their own collections. So there's like a lot of argument there where the scammers could actually post their own like minted BASI, and Twitter wouldn't have a problem with that.
Oh yeah, you can't.
You know what I mean?
That's an absolute disaster. How does it work on OpenSea?
Well, OpenSea is a mess right now.
Yeah, it's a mess too. It's the same. Yeah. They have the exact same problem, right? Mm-hmm. Where people are posting very similar or mirrored images. And
sure, yeah.
It's hard to navigate. Well, I mean, this exposes one of the big growing pain here as far as NFTs are concerned, in that it's very hard still, even for a company like Twitter to, like, with all this engineering capability, to figure out a way to make sure that the NFT holder is the one showing off the NFT.
So yes, you can find out if it's the real NFT by going into the NFT themselves and then just look at the record, right, like the ledger or whatever.
Right, but people don't do that.
People are not going to do that.
People don't do that. Well, then and then in that case, you would be like, well, if people don't do that, then what's the improvement over the way it is right now, where people just
take the image,
and then depending on who the individual is, you just assume they either have it or don't have it, because they wouldn't be likely to do it that way. Oh, is it also only a Twitter Blue feature?
Yes.
Oh my God.
I think it's $2.99 a month.
Oh, wow. And GM, wow, they're just fully embracing crypto culture over here with this commercial as well. NFT profile pictures. Well, they're trying. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Obviously, a lot of NFT communication and culture happening over Twitter.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not deep enough in it, honestly, to really feel one way or another.
Me neither.
But I'm sure there's all types of feelings going on.
For sure, yeah.
And
a lot of opinions.
Maybe this is not it, the way that it is right now, but maybe it's an indication and a stepping stone to how to eventually figure out how to do it. I don't know.
Yeah. Hopefully they'll figure it out.